today I will show you how to create gradient shrinking spiral down from a regular cylinder. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, Shift A, Mesh, and choose cylinder. Now I will increase the vertex using loop cut here. And okay, I think this is enough. Don't forget to activate the X-ray here. Now go to edit mode and choose vertex, and I will choose the vertex bottom on cylinder and press S for scaling. Click on the proportional editing tool here and choose smooth. Okay, now when you press S, there will be a circle like this. The circle is for the area. You can enlarge it with your scroll on your mouse, or maybe you can shrink it down. Here's the difference when you have a big circle and a small circle. I will also rotate this from the top of cylinder. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon